Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I will teach you how to successfully complete Notoriety Nightclub in Nightmare. Amongst others, this heist is really easy. Head to Assets and buy the van. It will give you VIP parking. So what that does is makes things easier for you to complete it. Click Read Day, and when you are locked, you are in game. We are in the game, so head towards the entrance and wait for the thug to let you in. Because he is suspicious. You can use the side entrances if you wanted to, and now just watch me play. From my aspect, this is the easiest way to complete the heist. Be very careful here. As you see, this is too worth it. Make sure to like and subscribe if this helped you. Goodbye.